today I want to show you how to make pedestals for your crystalline pots. So as of last week, I showed you guys how to throw your pots. I showed you how to trim them. Today I wanted to show you how to make the pedestals. So these are little, I call them like little boats that go around your pot. So crystalline glazes run like crazy. So every time you make a pot that is crystalline glazed, it is going to run, and you do not want that all over your shelves. So today what we are going to do is we're going to make the little pedestals that go on the foot of your pot and make it so that they don't run like crazy all over your shelves. So, and then be sure to like and comment and let me know if you like this video. Subscribe, because next week we are going to glaze the pot and throw it in that kiln, and we're going to see if we can get some crystals. So I'm really excited about this. We're going to see if it works. I'm not really sure yet. Remember, this is my first time doing it, and I just wanted to experience it with you guys. So for right now, let's see how it goes. All right, here is the video on the pedestals. watching my videos. I hope you enjoy them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Every Thursday I will be posting new videos, and I love to hear from you. So please don't be scared to comment below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. And yeah, all right. Thanks you guys so much for watching. All right, bye you guys.